And box 3, we'll do 3 boxes of vid. Nothing to get super excited about yet. I mixed them up good. I mixed them up good, BT. Sorry. All the good stuff is mixed in the middle. Not at the beginning again. Pack 3, we got Ilya Kovalchuk for the Devils. Number to 399. Also for the Devils, a rookie of Alexander Vazyanov. Vazyanov to 399. Could care less about being featured. Just saying. Got a Brandon Yip Ultimate Signatures for the Avalanche.
Ooh. Yip yip hooray. Boom.
And the last card goes to the Kings. The great one. Dual jersey, black and white of Wayne Gretzky. 46 of 100. Nice. Lombardi, did you get the Kings, Lombardi?
The great one.
You did get the Kings.
A fantastic one.
That's the first 3 boxes. Peace.